Welcome back to the channel. Today is probably the shortest how-to video I will ever create in this channel. It's the installation of a Lifehammer Evolution in my Seat Leon Cupra from 2015. It's the 5F or Mark III model as it's also known. The installation consists only of installing a bracket to the car. This is the place I have chosen. Make sure that if you install a Lifehammer or a similar device, that you put it in a place where you can reach it easily when you're sitting in the car. You might be tumbled upside down, and then you still need to be able to reach the Lifehammer. So before you choose location, sit in your seat, find a proper location, see if you can reach it, and then do the installation like I show you right now. Installation is very simple. It's only fastening a single bolt, which has a very small Allen key head, as you can see right now. This is only the last tightening phase, and then the installation is done. I repeated the installation also on the passenger side, so both seats can use the Lifehammer whenever it's needed. Hopefully I don't need it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.